issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Quincy County and east central Ohio, northern Muskingum County and east central Ohio, northern Noble County and east central Ohio, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Drake and was moving east at 25 miles an hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of $50 and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Drake, Zanesville, Adamsville, Bridgeville, Norwich, New Concord, Cambridge, Byesville, Old Washington, Salt Fork State Park, Seneca Lake Park. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.